Last year, me and Tuck grew more food than we ever had. It was our most productive year ever. We harvested everything from cherries to strawberries, cabbage, tomatoes, peppers, cauliflower, peaches, apples, pears, and so much more. But we still feel like we can do more. We can grow more. And this year, we're taking things to the next level. Let's go! In 2024, me and Tuck aren't holding back. We're going ahead full throttle with production, and we encourage you to do the same. Over the past 10 plus years, we have found gardening to be one of the few investments that whatever we put in, we get so much more back. For instance, we plant one tomato seed, we get hundreds of tomatoes and even more seeds. Throughout our time gardening, we identified 3 key changes that significantly improved our results, and we're doubling down on them. The first big change is surrounding me. A few years ago in this section, I built 2 wooden raised beds. I use common building lumber because treated lumber is toxic to grow in. The beds produced well for me, but unfortunately, they've already rotted out. Around that same time, I added some metal raised beds and I fell in love. I plan on continuing to garden for the rest of my life, so I don't want to waste time repeating the same task every few years, so I'm going all in on metal raised beds. They may be more of an upfront cost than a wooden raised bed, but I believe they're worth the investment for how long they last, how easy they are to assemble, and how well plants grow in them.